Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Asmita and today's topic is going to be very interesting. Have you heard about Scrum? You must if you belong to computer science or IT related fields. It's one of the most important topics from the syllabus and is also practiced in industry. So let's get started. So questions like, what is the progress of project? Are we on the correct path? Are we doing what is expected? What's the update for today? What have you done yesterday? What's on your way? And etc. All these questions are being handled by Scrum. To understand better, let's understand what is Scrum. So what is Scrum? A Scrum is a framework for project management that emphasizes teamwork, accountability, and iterative progress towards a well-defined goal. The framework begins with a simple premise: start with what can be seen or known. After that, the track can progress and tweak as necessary. Scrum is often part of agile software development. It is named for rugby formation in which everyone plays a role. Scrum plays a very vital role in project management. Software development Scrum roles include the following. Product owner. This person serves as a license between the development team and its customer. The product owner is responsible for ensuring that expectations for a completed product are communicated and agreed upon. The second is Scrum Master. Scrum Master is referred to as a project facilitator. They ensure Scrum best practices are followed. There must be a good leader and a project manager skilled at collaboration, conflict resolution, and process improvement. Development team. Members of Scrum development team work together to create and test incremental releases of the final product. Developer must know Scrum and Agile development practices. Let's understand what is Scrum process. The Scrum process encourages practitioners to work with what they have and continuously evaluate what is or is not working. Good communication is essential and is carried out throughout the meeting. Call it events. Scrum events include the following. Daily Scrum. This event is short, stand-up daily meeting that take place in same time and place. This is a kind of startup of the day. In this meeting, the team reviews work accomplished the previous day and plan what will be done in the next 24 hours. This is a time when the team members discuss what problems that might prevent project completion. Sprint. A sprint is a time frame in which work must be completed, often 30 days. New sprint starts right after the completion of the previous one. Then sprint planning meeting. This is a meeting where everyone participates in setting goals. In the end, at least one increment, usually piece of software, could be produced. Sprint review. This is a time to show off the increments. The last one, sprint retrospective. A sprint retrospective is a meeting held after a sprint ends. During this meeting, everyone reflects on the process. A team building exercise may also be offered. And an important goal of this event is continuous improvement. Now let's understand what is Scrum Artifacts. An artifact is something of historical interest that warrants being re-examined. In Scrum product development, artifacts are used to see what has been done and what is still in the queue. It is useful to look at the Scrum artifacts in the sprint planning meeting. Scrum artifacts include the following. Product backlog. This refers to what remains to be done. During product backlog grooming session, the development team works with business owner to prioritize work that has been backlogged. The product backlog may be fine-tuned during the process called as backlog refinement. Sprint backlog. This is a list of tasks that must be completed before selecting product backlog items can be delivered. This can be divided into time-based user stories. Third one, product increment. This refers to what has been accomplished during a sprint. All the product backlog item as well as what has been created during the previous sprint The product increment reflects how much progress have been made. Burn down. A burn down chart is a visual representation of an amount of work that still needs to be completed. A burn down chart has a y-axis that shows work and x-axis that shows time. Ideally, the chart illustrates downward trend as the amount of work still left to do. Over time burns down to zero. What is Scrum Master? The Scrum Master is accountable for establishing Scrum as defined in Scrum Guide. They do this by helping everyone understand Scrum theory and practice, both within the team and the organization. Scrum Master is accountable for Scrum team's effectiveness. They do this by enabling the Scrum team to improve its practice within the Scrum framework. The Scrum Master helps to facilitate Scrum to the larger team that ensures the Scrum framework is followed. He or she is committed to the large team by ensuring the Scrum frame is followed. He or she is committed to the Scrum values and practices, but should be remain flexible and open to opportunities for the team to improve their workflow. Scrum Masters are true leaders who serve the Scrum team and the larger organization. In simple language, Scrum Master is a person who is the leader of the pack, where you have to report what is on the way, what you have worked on, and etc. You must be thinking, can Scrum go without Scrum Master? The straight answer is no. Scrum Master plays a role that helps the team to flourish with the Scrum. Without Scrum Master, the Scrum team will have a hard time becoming the best version of themselves. At the best, they will become an ordinary group of people working together. Hope you understood the difference between Scrum and the Scrum Master. Before we go further, in your life, have you been the Scrum Master at some point of your life? If yes, do let me know in the comment section. Scrum pillars and value. The three pillars of Scrum are adaptation, inspection, and transparency. Adaptation. The team consistently revises its approach to problems and take on new ones as they arise. Inspection. The team consistently reflects on and evaluates its performance. Transparency. The team works in an open environment where all the members have insight into each other's progress and are aware of challenges faced by others. Let's understand Scrum's 5 core values support the pillars. They are the following. First is commitment. The team is self-directed and everyone is dedicated to the work they are doing that have been agreed upon. Courage. The team operates as one entity and succeed or fail together. Members do the right thing and take upon tough problems. Focus. Distractions are limited and the team concentrate on the work that must be done today. Openness. The team spends time sharing where it has succeeded and what must be improved. Respect. Team members have different strengths and each member's strengths are respected. No one is blamed when figuring out how to fix what is not working. That's all for today. Hope you understood what is Scrum and its importance. We'll be back with another new video. Till then, keep learning. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.